Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Garrett.
I'm Melissa.
Welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. And we're the Leffersons, we forgot to say that part. But You knew that because you're on our channel.
I mean, if you are new here, you should hit that subscribe button because we're doing Vlogmas right now. Things are happening. Life is great.
Day 4, we are unboxing one of our favorite subscription services.
Yes,
today we are doing Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. So, Alyssa, tell them the deets while I cut it open.
Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes is a Disney subscription service. There are a lot of different tiers. We do the fantasy box, which I believe is $59.99. And you're supposed to get, of course, at least what you paid, if not more. And there's Disney Parks items, small shop items, so many magical things. We've been happy with pretty much every single one that we've gotten so far, and I'm just excited.
And the box is super cute.
And it's my birthday month. Hopefully they remembered. Yay! I'm so excited! And they make it so cute, and their handwriting is adorable, and I'm just living for it.
What's it say?
It says, "Happy birthday, heart the Bibbidi Bobbidi girls. Inside is a surprise for you." I'm so excited. And then, oh, the packing slip is adorable. It is Mike and Sully, and Mike is like wrapped up. It's adorable. It's so cute.
And then the little card that's always included says she knows if you've been scary or nice. And it's a picture of
Roz.
Roz.
Yes.
Always
Oh my
watching.
gosh. That is amazing.
And it has some beautiful like turquoise paper for the season.
Yeah.
And I think this is the December one, isn't it?
No, it's
November.
November. That's why it says happy birthday. Do you not know when my birthday is?
We're not gonna talk about it. All right, so we're gonna open it up.
Oh my gosh! I was not expecting this. Whoa.
I saw a little pattern
Wow.
whenever I...
Wow.
Holy nachos.
Oh my gosh. I am like so shocked. I am seriously so shocked. This is my first Loungefly backpack. I mean, we have like Loungefly, but not these mini backpacks. Just like, we have the cheaper version of these Loungefly bags, just from like Box Lunch. But oh my gosh, it is, oh my gosh, it is so
This is legit.
freaking cute.
All right, while she composes herself, I'll walk you through the backpack. It has Cinderella's castle. It's all from the Magic Kingdom. So
Yes.
Pirates of the Caribbean, the Country Bear Jamboree, Haunted Mansion. Comment down below if the Country Bear Jamboree makes you kind of feel uncomfortable. We went to it and halfway through we both looked at each other and we were like,
Where are we?
what's happening?
I'll leave that vlog down below. It's somewhere in our Disney World vlogs.
Anyways, we got ourselves
Oh
a
my
Dumbo
gosh.
and a Mickey.
And there's Space Mountain. Did you mention that? You can see on the back there's Space Mountain, and there's Orange Bird and Small World and the dog from Pirates.
This is pretty
Oh my
awesome.
gosh, this is amazing.
Yeah, on the back is a whole
There's
new...
so much
it's
more
a
on the
small
back.
world. Oh,
I love how every Loungefly backpack is a little different too, and the design is a little different. Oh my
let's
gosh,
see if
I am
there's
so
anything
happy.
special inside.
It's just stuffed
Just
with
paper.
to keep its form, of course. Stuffed with paper.
But the inside is like a striped. It kind of looks like the pattern that they wear at the bakery.
Yes,
Oh, you know
it
that
does.
because Matt worked there.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
That's fun.
And there's a little front pocket too.
This might have to be our park backpack.
Okay, I have to say.
We've been
I have
slowly
to say-
downsizing.
We have, but I also have to say that I never put Loungefly backpacks like specifically in my preferences because some of them are like super extra, and not that they're like super extra, but the colors are just weird. And I think to myself, like, am I gonna wear that in the park? But this is literally the perfect color. Like, it's blue, it's gonna match with everything. And I'm just like, I'm seriously in love with it. I have seen this backpack before. I don't know why I never thought to request it, but I'm so happy that you just get me and you just put it in here because I love it. I'm so so happy. Thank you. This is
the boxes. There's still more in the box, folks.
This is beautiful.
Buckle up.
I'm just so excited. And I do have to also say that with Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, I'm trying to find the tag again. When they get something from the Disney parks, they do put a little sticker that says Disney Parks exclusive. Oh my gosh. I'm just like speechless. I'm so happy. Yay! Oh, yes.
This is the Disney Wishables Christmas version, so it has Santa, Mickey, reindeer, snowman, and a gingerbread. This is part of our Vlogmas that we will be opening these later on. We're gonna open this one
We have
today.
to open this one today because we're getting it in this box.
Okay,
So
I'll get it ready
we do have 4 other bags, which we really only bought 4, and there are 4 options. We do want all 4 options, so I am kind of happy that we got another bag because then we have a better chance of getting all of them.
Okay, it's open. Reach in.
You open it.
No, this is your bag.
Okay.
This is your box.
Oh, it's the gingerbread man. He is so cute. Oh, I love him. And I love how soft these are. They are so soft. Look at his face. And they're so detailed. Like, every single button is a different color. And he's got the little ribbon. Oh, he's so cute.
I really want to keep going because I looked and everything else in this box is made literally to you.
There's more?
There's more.
Like, I'm confused.
No, there's more. Like,
okay.
this, so Bibbidi Bobbidi Box has always stood out in my mind as like, they get it.
They do.
Like they're,
They really do.
I don't know if they watch our videos. I don't know, but
If you do watch our videos, thank you so much because I'm so happy
I'm gonna
right now.
keep going. And the
Okay.
reason that they get you
Oh my gosh!
is a flipping Rice Krispie
Could
tree.
get any better?
We
Could not get any better.
We have a Christmas tree in the same color palette out in our kitchen right now. So
You want to eat it right now?
no,
Okay.
there is.
I actually will probably open this later because, oh my gosh, Rice Krispie treats are my favorite thing. And every single time I go to Disney, I have to get one. I always come back with one. They're always in our hauls. Oh, I'm
Last-
so happy.
Last but not least, there's one more thing.
There is.
I don't know if you have this, but
I don't know, but it doesn't even matter because like you could have stopped at the backpack, honestly. Oh my gosh, no!
so while she gets her stuff together,
Oh my god.
it is an Alex and Ani bracelet, and it is the ugly sweater one. So is this exclusive to
Garrett, come
You-
on. Think about this for a hot second.
She saw it at the parks and she was like, I want to buy this, but she never bought it because we got the party one instead.
Yes, I ended up getting the Mickey's Very Merry because I also thought, okay, I can always get it the week of Christmas. I really did want the ugly sweater though. Like that's what I mentioned to Garrett. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this box. This has got to be an Ultimate Magic box. It has to be because this is definitely more than what we paid. Like way more than what we paid.
This is
Oh my gosh.
This is pretty stellar. I
am shocked.
I am impressed.
I am shocked.
And I promise, like, we did not do any extra communication with Bibbidi Bobbidi.
No.
We didn't email them and be like, yo, we're gonna be doing this for Vlogmas. This is all them knowing our preferences and maybe watching a couple of videos. I don't know.
They could have watched our Disney World vlog when I was like, I really wanted the ugly Christmas sweater because I feel like I mentioned it. It doesn't matter, but did you also just look at it? Like, it is so detailed with the little hidden Mickeys on there.
But the attention to detail that they do is just awesome. So you ladies are crushing it.
Like, I
am impressed. You sold me. If anyone ever...
I can't. If you are not subscribed yet, all of their information is going to be down below.
Yes.
I will maybe even put a coupon code down there from Miss Cherry or Disney Kitty or something. They all have coupon codes, but
use them because you will love
amazing.
this service.
You at least need to try it.
Mm-hmm. This is solid. Good job. Good job, girls.
So
Who are the girls?
I can't.
Amanda, Becky, and Brenda.
I can't. I'm just like,
So here, let's go through
this is the best box I've ever opened in my life.
Let's go through the packing list, okay? So the Rice Krispie treat, where's the Rice Krispie treat? That was $6. All
the
right.
best $6 ever.
The Christmas Wishables was $10.
Stay tuned for the rest of our unboxing of these. I'm so excited to open the rest of them.
The Loungefly Parks exclusive
Oh my gosh.
was $75. And then
I can't.
the Alex and Ani Christmas sweater was $45 for a total retail value of $135. And this is in fact the fantasy.
Yeah.
It
So,
says fantasy
the
right
surprise that they said they gave me an Ultimate Magic box.
there. Wow.
They just randomly upgrade people also. Like, if you were to ever be a subscriber, I think they upgrade a few people, like a few complimentary upgrades a month. I
Yeah.
mean, don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure they do at least one a month. And they're just like the sweetest people. I just opened another box for my birthday that was kind of a disappointment. And this just like,
Crushes it.
this just makes me so happy. I feel like it's still my birthday, even though it was like a month ago
It's
now.
like a birthday Christmas.
It's like a birthday Christmas.
Because it's on Vlogmas right now.
I am just so thankful. And this was also just kind of Vlogmasy too, because we got the Christmas sweater, Christmas things. Oh, I'm just over the moon. I thank you so much,
This
Bibbidi
is
Bobbidi
awesome.
Boxes. I'm gonna have to like send them an email right after this.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much. This was amazing. I am obsessed with literally everything.
Thank you, Bibbidi Box, for making my wife's birthday even
I am
awesome.
going to wear this to the parks. It's gonna be my new park bag, and I'm living for it. And you'll maybe even see Garrett
I was
wearing
gonna say,
it.
which means I'll be wearing it because she's like, it's too hot. My straps hurt my back.
Well, when we go in December, it's not going to be too hot, probably. Hopefully.
All right.
It's advent calendar time. Maybe the pin will be for you.
We can only hope. All right.
Day 4. So, day 4, let's see. Day 4 is not in here.
All right, so it's in my box of.
Yes.
So, for those that haven't been keeping up, we got our pins this year from Magic Launch Bay. We paid for them obviously,
Yes.
but they are a fantastic service. We leave.
Another amazing service.
Yeah, we'll leave all their stuff down below. They operate through Instagram and Facebook.
Yes.
But they sent us 24 pins, blind packs. Go watch our other unboxings because they have been, again, crushing it.
It's been
with-
amazing. The first 2 were limited edition. Amazing pins. And even yesterday was such a cute pin, all
They're
from
just-
the international park so far.
Yes.
So I'm just
All right, you
I'm just
pulled her.
excited to see what the next one is. All right, let's see. Oh, this is so cute.
Interesting.
It's Oswald.
Oh, is that his name?
Yes.
Okay,
well,
let me take
wait,
it.
hold on. Are they both Oswald? Oswald's the one with the floppy ears, right?
Correct.
So I don't know. Is the other one?
It is Oswald. Pin Trading Carnival limited edition of 1,000. So this is Oswald. He's the lucky rabbit there with his friend,
I'm not sure who that is. Comment down below. Let us know who that
the
is.
not so lucky rabbit because his ears got chopped off. I don't know.
I'm not sure.
But it's on a ticket. It's on a ticket and it says Second Pin Trading Carnival. This is fun. So this is the second pin that
cute.
we've got from this event.
Yes.
The Pin Trading Carnival over in Hong Kong Disneyland.
All of our pins so far have been from all the international parks.
Well, Hong Kong and Paris.
Yes.
From what I remember. But yes, this is, and it's a nice 2-back pin.
Yeah.
And then on the back here, let me take the little Mickeys off. The back of this pin is jam-packed with like all these different labels. There we go. So you got pin trading, you got Hong Kong Disneyland, you got Oswald, you have the pin thing, you have the limited edition. This is a nice sizable pin.
It's amazing.
It's not necessarily a collection that we have, but
We do have one Oswald pin.
We're gonna
we do
add it
have
to
one. Well, so we'll add it to our collection. And I don't know, maybe someday down the road, if sometimes we kind of keep some pins too until like we find someone who like really
loves
loves
them.
him, and then they have something that we also really. It's just, I don't know, more meaningful trades rather
Serendipitous.
than just like random trades. So we might keep him for a little while. This is a cute pin.
this pin advent deal.
It was amazing.
I'm glad we went with it.
Make sure to check out Magic Launch Bay because
Yes.
they also do Facebook sales and they also have an Instagram where they post things on there too, pins that they're getting in. Make sure you're following them.
Agreed.
Obsessed. Obsessed.
All
Obsessed
right.
with this entire video. This has just been the best
This has been a good video.
of my life. No, maybe not of my life.
It's
but
been good.
This has probably been the highlight of my December so far. Not gonna
there we
lie.
go.
I mean, it's December 2nd.
No, it's not. It's day
December
4.
4th.
We filmed these on the
And-
day.
And I'm just feeling great. This is great.
There we go.
Yep. Thank
So
you.
tell the peeps what to do.
Thank you guys so much. Again, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes
Oh.
and Magic Launch Bay. What an amazing
Crushed it.
video. Knocked it out of the park.
Mm-hmm.
I can't. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite item was, or let us know what you got in your Bibbidi Bobbidi box.
Or if you're interested in getting the Bibbidi Bobbidi Box, let us know. Because
Yes.
there was a comment one time, they're like, okay, this sold me, I'm going to get it. We're like,
Yeah.
got you.
Yes, let us know if you order it
Yes.
from watching this video. We
Yes.
would love to know.
We'll leave the coupon codes down below.
Yes, and subscribe to our channel
Yes.
for more Disney content. We've got so much more coming your way, and so much more Vlogmas coming your way. So it's gonna be a great time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Not later. Tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Literally make the same thumbnail for everything.
We just need to like cut it in. All right.
Okay.